In this video, you will learn how to use the Canvas Parent app. After opening the app, you will see the Parent app landing page. The landing page displays previously used login credentials that you can use to log in. If this is your first time logging in, locate your institution by tapping the Find My School button. Enter the name of your institution or school district in the field. When the full name displays in the search list, tap the name. You can also enter a Canvas URL in the search field. On the login page, enter your email and password. Then tap the Login button. After logging into the Parent app, you will see the Courses page, which displays your students' courses and grades. If you have more than one student linked to your account, you can switch between students by tapping the Student drop-down menu, then tapping the name of the student you would like to view. To view more information about a course, tap the course name. Within each course, you will see an agenda displaying all upcoming assignments and events for the current week. To view items for a different week, tap the back or forward icon. To view details for an event or an assignment, tap the name of the item. To view the course syllabus, tap the Syllabus icon. To return to your courses, tap the Close icon. To view upcoming events and assignments for all courses, tap the Week icon. Tap any assignment or event to view details. To receive a push notification reminder about the assignment or event, tap the Set Reminder button. To view alerts for your students, tap the Alerts icon. Alerts include notifications on high or low grades, missing assignments, and announcements. Alerts can be managed from the User menu. To open your User menu, tap the Menu icon. From the User menu, you can manage students, get help with the app, change users, and log out of the app. To manage observed students, tap the Manage Children link. To add a new student, tap the Add icon, then enter the student pairing code and tap the Add button on iOS or OK button on Android. To manage alerts, tap the name of the student. To enable a toggle alert for missing assignments, course announcements, or institution announcements, tap the Toggle button. You can also receive alerts when an assignment or grade is below or above a certain percentage. To enter the percentage, tap the number next to the criteria and enter a percentage. To save the alert, tap the Done link on iOS or the Save link on Android. You've now completed this overview video on the Canvas Parent app. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.